Hi everyone, welcome into Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how to use the double click command in Cypress. Sometimes web element need a double click instead of a single key, like editing a fields or opening a drop down. Cypress gives us a very simple way to do this using double click command. So let's begin. Right click on E2E and create a new just file. Right click to E and then enter the file name here. Double and for click dot site dot js. Open the Chrome browser and here you can view command section here and double click commands. Double click commands. The syntax is dot double click. This is the command for double click on a button. Suppose we want to click all this button double key and here success message is displayed. You double now refresh the page, open the VS Code and enter this text here. This is our double click example. So here we need to change our test case name double click. Remove this as well. First, we need to navigate to the URL. Copy is complete URL and enter it. cy.visit. It will navigate to the URL. After navigate to the URL, we need to double click on this button. Double click. For clicking on this button, you need to locate this element, which is double click. Right click here, inspect, and here you can view button ID is equal to double dash click dash btr. We can locate by ID as well. Here you can view the class name available. But the best approach for getting the element is ID because ID is unique. With this ID and VS Code format the document. Let's run the test and see what happened. npx Cypress open and then enter. Cypress is opening. In this scenario, I will just open the website. After open the website, I will show you how you can click on this button. Now we need to click on here configured. Click on start E2 ether in Chrome and here our test file name is double underscore click. We will click on is file double underscore click and the test is run. As you can view, your tests are loading. It will navigate to this URL. No test found because here we need to enter our test case. Here we do not have any test, so it display no test found. Open this ID and enter here sci dot get. As you can view, this is ID, so we need to enter hash here. After hash in Cypress, we need to enter the ID with hash dot double. We need to click on this button two times, so we will double here double click command. Now we can run our test. First, we'll navigate to this URL and then double click on the button. Double click. You double click. Now, we need to verify after clicking on this double click me, this success message is displayed. We need to use the assertions for verify this text is displayed after clicking on this button. Side, we can find the getter from here. Now, click here, copy this command, side dot add double click design. It is one and enter hit. Now, it will just locate the element for this success message. Okay, need to use the assertions here. Dot should have dot text, and this text is like double click here. I need to enter this text here because we want to verify after you double click on this button, this success message should be displayed. Now we have added the assertions here. Save this just file. First, it will navigate to the URL, and here you can view assertion expected. This text have and this success message is displayed because our expected result is equal to the actual results. Let's enter some randomly text here and see our test will be failed because this text, our actual text is not equal to the expected result. Let's change again here and run the test. Now our test case will be passed because our expected and actual words text are equal. That's our for today tutorial on double click button. It is easy and helpful when you deal with elements that lead to two clicks work properly. If this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. SP Word for more Cypress tips and tutorial. If you have any questions or ideas for the next video, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.